What is up, guys? My name is Shawn and you have reached my channel Yeti Metal. Today I find myself back in Western PA. It's a gorgeous fall day and I'm a couple miles away from where I was at last week, where I found that 2-cent piece. So I was going through some old maps. I have an 1865 map and an 1877 map of this area, and what it showed on my 1877 is behind me used to be an old orchard. I'm not sure when it became an orchard, but that's what we're going to try to find out today. It may stretch back. My 1865 map was not as detailed. So we're going to see what's hiding in this ground. I'm going to get the rest of my gear on, and again, we're going to find what's hiding. If you like what you see, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, share, like, leave me a comment, and we'll get right back to this, all right? Wish me luck. Well, this just rang up just like a nickel. I think it's a little button. Let's see what it is. Yep, it's a little button. It's got something on it too. It's kind of cool. I don't think it's really old though, but not a shank on the back, so it's iron on the back, I can tell. But yeah, it rang up, like I said, around 62, just like a nickel would. We'll get that cleaned up a little more, and I don't know. I'll have to clean this up. But yeah, there's a little bit of writing on it. Hopefully I'll get a better cleaned up version of it, and I'll show it to you guys. So yeah, that's our first find out of this field. Little button. All right. Well, this is just up. Obviously a piece of some farm equipment. So that wasn't too deep. So not thinking that's too old, but that's something. We're going to keep on checking this field out, and hopefully we stumble across some better finds than this. All right. Well, I have no idea what I have here. This is absolutely crazy. I swear this looks like a stinking cannonball, and we didn't have any. I mean, look at this thing. That is a round piece of metal. It's heavy. I mean, there shouldn't be cannonballs around here. We didn't have any Civil War activity here, but that, I mean, tell me what it is. If that's not a cannonball, I don't know what it is. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, it's big, it's round. I mean, I swear, that's what I feel like that has to be. Let me know in the comments what you think. I mean, it is heavy. It's made of iron. I mean, so yeah, I have no idea what this thing is. Only thing I can tell is a cannonball, but that makes no sense for where we are here in Western PA. Not that I know of anyway. Maybe I need to do a little more research. So yeah, that is the most interesting thing I pulled out of this field so far. We're gonna keep on going, and I mean, maybe we'll find more. I mean, if we find more, that would be really cool too. So we'll see what happens here. Maybe I'll open up more on this side of the field. I have kind of been stopping here. This was kind of my stopping point where I'm turning around, so maybe I'll extend that out. So yeah, that is a big piece of round iron. That's pretty cool. Well, guys, I came to a new site. That old orchard field just wasn't really producing for me, except for that cannonball looking thing. So we're gonna see what's here. This house was built in the early 1900s. So yeah, wish me luck. Well, this just up out of the hole. I believe it is a silver dime. Let's see, when we pop it. Oh my gosh, I believe this is a Barber dime. Wouldn't it be awesome if it's old? I think it's Barber. Wow. That is a Barber dime. That is pretty cool. Look at that. 1902. So over 100 years old, right there. Check that out. Very cool.
That is really cool too.
It is, right?
Yeah.
All right. Goss, that is an awesome little find.
Yes, it is.
It is, right?
Yeah, we found.
I have a helper, Riley. This is her house.
And we found a 1994 quarter.
Quarter, yeah, but this Barber dime beats that hands down. And it has a New Orleans mint mark on it. So that's pretty cool too.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we have another tone. It's about a 92. It's in the plug, so we're gonna do a live reveal and see what we have.
Let's hope it's something.
It sounded to me like a silver dime.
Yeah.
So let's see. It's in the plug. We're gonna know right away if it is. Let's see here. Oh, right there it is. Oh, that's silver!
Yay!
Look at that!
Yay!
Look at that!
That's something.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right, let's spray it off. Let's see. I gotta get some glasses on because I'm old. Give me a second.
Leave it alone.
She can touch it. It's fine. It's fine. You can touch it. We don't want to rub it when there's dirt on it because it'll scratch it. And we want to try to. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. That's a Roosevelt. So that's not a very old one, but it's going to be before 1965. It is 1952. So there you go. That is pretty cool. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
1952.
Ooh.
Oops, sorry. Oh, hold on. Give me. Let me show it one more time. There it is, 1952. That is a Denver mint mark on this one. That's pretty cool. So the other one was a New Orleans. This was a Denver. Very cool. What is up, guys? So this is going to wrap it up for this episode. The really strange find is this. I'm telling you, I'm thinking this is a Cannonball. So I'm going to do a little more research. I'm going to go back to that place where I found this and hopefully dig up some more. But unless you guys know that something else this could be, I'm thinking this is a Cannonball, and that leads me down a whole nother rabbit hole. At this other site that I came to, ended up finding a 1902 Barber dime, New Orleans mint mark, and what was that, a 1952 Roosevelt Denver mint mark, and then we got some clad, a couple of wheat pennies, and this little button. So that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching.